There's other possible causes being researched, and none of these are engraved in stone right now, but they are things that are interesting in terms of people's lifestyles and what effects lifestyle might have on the brain eventually, and it is being studied. For some reason, anti-anxiety medications called benzodiazepines, which are in the family of Valium, Ativan, people who take that for anxiety, they are apparently more prone to develop Alzheimer's later. So that's kind of a caveat. I also wonder, I didn't find it in my reading, but I also wonder that if just the biochemical changes that take place in your brain as a result of being highly anxious and needing medication may have something to do with it. And I guess that's going to be a factor that gets teased out. Loneliness and isolation. People that are alone are more prone to develop Alzheimer's so far. Traumatic brain injury, concussions, people who are in accidents or who play sports, who hit their heads. Obviously, you're damaging the brain. Anything that damages the brain damages the nerve cells, damages the metabolic process. Also, regular sleep deprivation can also stress the brain. There are some people that I've seen in my practice that are chronic insomniacs. They cannot sleep. They have maybe 3 hours sleep a night, 4 hours sleep a night. Well, if you don't get a good sleep and you wake up in the morning and you're not rested, this obviously stresses your brain and your body. And then finally, metabolic reasons. Someone called it, there's a type 1 diabetes, there's a type 2 diabetes. One is what you get when you're young. Type 2 is what you get as an adult. And they're saying that these changes in the brain might be a form of diabetes type 3. And this is because all of our organs use glucose, sugar, as fuel. And insulin tells the body how to use the sugar. If the insulin's not working, then there's too much sugar. Too much sugar can be toxic. So that's also something. So this is all being studied as we speak. So just things to keep in mind in terms of other causes that might be leading to Alzheimer's.